Ditch that store-bought cough syrup, which is just sugar, alcohol, and dyes. You can make a more effective 3-ingredient remedy at home. All you need is raw honey, lemon, and ginger. Raw honey is a demulcent. It coats your sore throat. It's also powerfully antibacterial. Lemon provides a shot of vitamin C, and its acidity helps break up mucus. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory that calms irritation. Just mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey, the juice of half a lemon, and a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger in warm water. Sip it slowly. Save this. Follow goodness nature. What's your go-to natural cold remedy? Comment below.